Let's look at the big picture. What's happening to our system currently, right? Playing standard American, Responder's new suit at the 2 level is showing 11 plus total points, including length points, long suit points, or short suit points, depending if they're raising your major or not. In 2/1, Responder's new suit at the 2 level, that's why we call it 2/1. Opener has started at the 1 level, one of a suit at the 1 level, and Responder is bidding a new suit at the 2 level. That's where it comes. Not very original, but that's where it comes from. And now that 2/1 is going to become 100% game forcing. Instead of new suit by Responder is forcing run round, new suit at the 2 level by Responder is going to become a game force. So instead of Responder having 11 or more points, Responder is going to have 13 plus total points. And the way you look at 12-point hands is if you look at it and you say to yourself, I would have opened this 12 high card point hand, then you treat it as a 2/1 game force. If you look at your 12-point hand and you say, this is not a 12-point hand I would have opened, then you treat it as an invitational hand. So basically what we're doing is we're taking out the 11 to 12-point hands that Responder used to make a 2/1 with, and we're stuffing them in other places, okay? One place we're stuffing them in is the forcing no trump. So let's take a look at this auction right here. If opener starts with 1 spade and Responder bids 2 clubs, in standard American, that's 11 to 12 or 11 or more points, right? 11 plus total points. In 2/1, that's going to become a game force. In standard American, 1 spade, 1 no trump is 6 to 10, right? 6 to 10 total points. And in 2/1 game force, what we're going to do is we're going to expand the 6 to 10 to 6 to 12. And the 11 to 12-point hands that we're taking out of Responder's 2/1, a lot of them are going to go into that forcing no trump. Some are going to go some other places. One of those places is in the invitational jump shift to the 3 level. Now, this forcing no trump idea, we're going to look at in parts 3 and 4 of this 4-part workshop. But right now, we're going to take a look at the invitational jump shifts to the 3 level to see what do we do with long suits and 11 to 12 total points. Well, we're going to jump to the 3 level, believe it or not.